As stated in the Schuman Declaration on the 9th of May 1950, world peace cannot be safeguarded without the making of creative efforts proportionate to the dangers which threaten it. The contribution which an organised and living Europe can bring to civilization is indispensable to the maintenance of peaceful relations. Europe will not be made all at once, or according to a single plan. It will be built through concrete achievements which first create a de facto solidarity. The solidarity in production thus established will make it plain that any war becomes not merely unthinkable, but materially impossible. As we celebrate 70 years since the Schuman Declaration, the plea for unity and solidarity has never been more apt across Europe. We're in this together. And we will see each other again soon. From us all at European Movement Ireland, to you and yours, have a happy Europe Day.